want to welcome Mr. Hines up to the stage.
Thanks for having me.
Suppliers and obviously make your product experience even better, right? They've got a lot of really cool things that are coming out, so they're really excited to share all these things with you today. We've got a lot of really great sessions. It's going to be really jam-packed.
We're all familiar with B2B, B2C, right? Some of you guys work in kind of a hybrid of both because what you do is business. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that today, B2B and B2C are dead. It's dead. Let's kill it. They were working on this. I got really inspired. I was standing in the corner there. I opened up my phone. I bought a new website, new e-com website. It's called stuffforbalddudes.com. You guys should be checking it out, and you better know. You better know who I'm going to be using for my product data, because you got to keep it sheen. I was hoping we could do a selfie. I like to do this as social proof that we were together today and in person once again. So let's. I can't get everybody, but this group looks better looking than that group, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, cool. Find that on my LinkedIn later. For number one is to grab what is going on in the human marketing evolution. Okay, there's a lot that's changing in the world around us today, and the way that we communicate with people is needing to become more and more human. So I want you to grasp what's going on in that evolution. Number two, I want you to learn how to harness the power of a scrappy mindset, like an entrepreneurial mindset, and how to be kind of a hacker in what you're doing in sales and marketing. And then number three is to get some humanistic tactics that you guys can actually apply to your marketing and business and sales today. And be in front of all of y'all and bring the energy. So I hope that I can help keep the energy up for you guys. You guys will be bringing the energy today. We got a packed house. This is awesome to see everybody. And we're going to get things started here today. So who's ready to kick off Unlock 2022? All right. Just a few. So clearly it's trending. People are really starting to get a grasp and understanding that the marketing, that the way that we have been doing it over the past 10, 20 years is not working. It's not as impactful anymore. We kind of got to get back to grassroots and become more human once again. I am a marketing professional, like some of you in the room. I'm a consultant, keynote speaker. I run a podcast. I even wrote a book that came out earlier this year. But today, it's not about me. It's about a.k.a. And more importantly, it's about you guys, right? Building an emotional connection with our customers that is helpful, authentic, respectful, and personal.